Okay, so we just put the concealer on. I use shade 7, that's my shade, and now we're gonna blend it out and start baking. All right, we're all blended now, so we are baking. Even putting it down there, the powder. Last step is to brighten, which really is, I think, the key to this whole process. My favorite step. How amazing are these cards illustrated by Ponyboy? They show the conceal step, the bake step, and the brighten step, and they will all come inside the concealer kits with your order, just to show you guys how to really do it. Conceal, bake, and brighten. Is that not the cutest? It shows the steps of how to conceal with the baking powder on and the final brighten step. Thank you, Ponyboy.